Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add timestamp on your videos in CapCut Mobile. So after you finish your edits, let's say you want to add a timestamp to your video, and here is how you can do it. So first go to text at the bottom and click on the text template. So here on the category, swipe until you find the time tab, click on that, and here there are lots of timestamp option that you can choose. For example, I'm going to use this one. Click on the timestamp, and here if you want to change the time, just double click on it and change the time to the one you want. For example, like this. Okay, click on the check icon, and you can also put it in anywhere you want. So I'm going to put it in here, and just click on the check icon when you are done. If you want to make it visible in the entire video, just drag it like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.